Milo has lost his only sibling and playmate. He's lucky to survive, but being the only cub left in a pride has repercussions. For the family, Milo is now an expensive investment. It takes the same effort to look after one cub as it does two. So lionesses usually synchronize their breeding, meaning mothers can help each other with parenting duties. Unfortunately, without this help, most single cubs like Milo are abandoned. In only a few hours, the pride's attitude towards Milo changes. One of the yearlings approaches, but her play has a hint of menace.